Hello and welcome back. Today, let's talk about the Siemens NX12 CAD tutorials, and let's try to make this model. Length becomes 75, width becomes 30, and the extrusion becomes 30. Right? So, let's try it out. I'll open my Siemens NX sketch. Choose the sketch plane. Okay, and I want to sketch. Okay, go for the center rectangle starting from the origin somewhere like this. Now I want to go for the rapid dimension, and this becomes 75. Hit enter. And this side rapid dimensions, and this side becomes 30. Hit enter, close it. Go for the isometric view, finish the sketch, go for extrude. Select this curve, define the width 9, apply and cancel it. Again, I will go for sketch. This time I will choose this face. Okay, I wanna go for the corner rectangle starting from somewhere here like this. Press escape, double click on this. 18 plus 15, hit enter, and I wanna close it. Now finish the sketch, extrude, define 21, apply and cancel it. See, go for the edge band, choose this edge and this edge, define the value of 15 and hit OK. Choose this and I wanna hide it. Choose this, hide it too. Again, go for sketch, choose this top surface. OK, zoom it, go for circle, go for rapid dimension, and this becomes 15. Close it, finish the sketch, go for extrude, select this, flip the direction through all, and I want to subtract it, apply and close it. Value, delete it, go for extrude, select this region, flip the direction through all and subtract it. Apply and cancel. Hide the sketch tool, go for the chamfer, choose this edge, define the value 9 and hit OK. Now we'll go for a plane and define at a distance 15 at the middle. OK, and go for the sketch, choose the sketch plane is this one. Okay, and I want to start from a line. Like this, and I want to close the sketch. Press middle mouse button and hide the plane too. Now I want to finish the sketch. Go for the isometric view, extrude, choose this. Now define the value 7, show result. Tool body completely outside target body. I want to select the symmetry. I wanna none, apply, seven, go for this and this, right click and delete it, go for sketch, this datum plane, okay, and go for a line, starting from somewhere here, like this. I want to finish the sketch and go for the rib, choose this, define the value 7, either I will go for the extrude, symmetry 3.5, show result, apply and cancel it. Go for the sketch, Control B, go for the isometric, and that's fine.